Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Firefox web browser has received an update. So we have moved on to, of course, Firefox 97, and now there was a bug fixing update actually. So if you had some issues, it fixes four things, very specific things. One of them that probably is the one that the most people might see: TikTok videos not playing on the profiles of users. So if you had TikTok video issues, this is one of the things that's fixed with this. Also, what we have here is something called Security Anywhere Antivirus that apparently renders pages incorrectly. There is also two other bugs that are fixed that can impact your Firefox performance. So no security updates in here. It's really just bug fixes. So if you had some issues, if you had anything going wrong, you can try it out. So you go into the upper right corner, go into Help, and go into About Firefox, and you will be updated to 97.0.1, and this is as of today, February 18th, 2022. Remember that Firefox is not based on Chromium. It's one of the last browsers that has its own engine. So the security updates that Edge and Chrome had, and that Opera and Brave and many other will also get, are not part of Firefox, since it doesn't use the same engine. It does not have the security flaws of other browsers. So a small bug fixing update that was released, as we are now at 97.0.1. And Mozilla also has issued a little warning that after doing a few tests, they were just saying that it's important to note that Firefox 100 might actually render incorrectly some pages or have problems. Actually, every browser maker that has a browser that goes to version 100 has issued these updates that, after being tested, after doing many tests, some websites are not rendering right because of that. Even some are not accessible. What they will do is an exception to the rules, and some websites that they know that are broken will be actually in a special list and show version 99 instead of 100 temporarily as the websites get fixed. So, bug fixing update for Firefox, so just go and check it out. 97.0.1. No security updates, so there's no rush, but if you have an issue, it might actually fix the problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.